Now, the Delhi Minister Manish Sisodia, defending Somnath Bharti earlier on in the day, said that in fact none of these women were assaulted by Aam Aadmi Party leaders or volunteers.
No accountability. आखिरकार जिस इलाके में रेप होता है या इस तरह की घटना होती है, वहां अगर गुंडे खुले घूमते हैं, रेपिस्ट खुले घूमते हैं और इस तरह की हरकत करने के लिए उनके मन में साहस है, तो फिर वहां पुलिस भी तो है। पुलिस है इसलिए कि वहां इस तरह के अपराधियों के मन में खौफ हो पुलिस का। फिर पुलिस क्या कर रही थी? लेकिन अकाउंटेबिलिटी कोई फिक्स नहीं हुई। इस मामले में पुलिस ने सेक्स और ड्रग रैकेट को, उनके रैकेटर्स को पकड़ने की जगह एटीट्यूड दिखाया कि हम कुछ नहीं करेंगे। ये ठीक नहीं है। हमें एक्शन चाहिए। इस तरह की जो भी घटना वहां घट रही है, जो भी अपराध वहां घट रहा है, उनके खिलाफ तुरंत एक्शन चाहिए।
Are you a little disturbed by the grammar of your party? Because new and robust and fresh as it is, there is a danger of vigilantism creeping in. You've seen what's happened in Delhi with two ministers going on a vigilante raid. There's a face-off happening with the Delhi cops here. You have the law minister saying the police must listen to me. Now, there is a due process. Are you concerned that vigilantism of your party is not following that? And I'm asking you this in the larger discussion around whether we live in the age of disruptive politics.
Yes, it concerns me very much. All kinds of vigilantism concerns me. And, you know, sometimes when you're at an airport and some bigwig comes and says, don't you know who I am? This is a bit like that, you know, if I'm the minister, I need to be doing this. I think we are in a time issue here, that nobody has had time to train the ministers. Nobody has had the time to train the people who are the spokespersons of the party in the kind of etiquette that needs to be followed in constitutional rights, in law, in what police procedures are, and so on. And yes, it is of concern, but I'm sure there are other people who are concerned and will sort it out.
So you don't agree with what the Delhi ministers have done in the raid that they conducted on what they alleged was a prostitution racket? Malika?
First of all, I think they show, the law minister's comments show the huge racist problems that we as Indians must accept and don't. To say, and we saw it in Parikar's Goa as well when the Nigerians were attacked. What does people like them mean? Because these people like them, you as a woman understand that we become that people like them instantly, and then it becomes caste politics and so on. But we are racist, we must accept it. Also, you can't not follow due procedure. Nobody can. I don't think the Prime Minister should, I don't think the President should not follow due procedure. So it is worrying.